Ever struggled with a messy car? I recently got my hands on the Baseus A3 car vacuum cleaner, and it's been an absolute lifesaver. This small but mighty gadget packs a punch with 15,000 PA suction, and it's a vacuum, air pump, inflator, and blower all in one. The absolute best part? It's wireless with a 50-minute battery life, and the one-click trash emptying feature means no messy hands. Super convenient and perfect for a quick clean. Check it out and see how it transforms the way you keep your car clean. Get yours now and enjoy a crumb-free ride every day.